Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk About Data. This is week 7 of our Power BI weekly series and also our final episode in this season. I'm so proud of how far you've come. Today, we're going to focus on how to turn your Power BI skills into real-world opportunities. That means certifications, building your portfolio, preparing for interviews, and launching your career. If you're ready to level up, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss future content. What we'll cover: Power BI certifications, Microsoft PL 300, building a portfolio that shines, Power BI, job roles, resume and LinkedIn tips, practice projects to showcase, final CTA and career roadmap. Comment below with your goal: analyst, engineer, or freelancer? Let's hear your path. Let's begin with the most common question. Do I need a certification to get a job in Power BI? Short answer: not mandatory, but definitely helpful. Especially the Microsoft Certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate, PL 300. Steps: go to Microsoft Learn website, search for PL 300 exam. Review the skills measured, data prep, modeling, visualizing, analyzing, register and practice with Microsoft sample questions. If you're planning to take PL 300, comment "I'm in" below. Let's cheer each other on. Next up, your Power BI portfolio. This is your proof of skill. Let's talk about how to build one even if you don't have job experience. Steps. Create a GitHub/portfolio website. Add at least 3 different dashboards. Business dashboard, for example, sales or HR, public dataset, Netflix, COVID, Olympics, end-to-end project, SQL, Power BI. Use clear titles, a short explanation, and screenshots. If you want a free portfolio template, check the link in the description and drop a "Yes portfolio" in the comments. Now, let's map out career paths. Whether you want to be a data analyst, BI developer, or dashboard designer, there's room for everyone. Roles and paths. Data analyst, reports, storytelling, Excel plus Power BI, Developer, Data Models, DAX, Data Flows, APIs, Freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn Gigs. Which career path do you want? Comment below with your target role. Let's talk about presenting yourself. You may be awesome at Power BI, but does your resume say that clearly? And what about your LinkedIn profile? Steps for resume. Add Power BI in your skills section. Include links to dashboards and projects. Mention certifications and courses. Steps for LinkedIn. Use a professional profile picture and banner, Power BI themed. Write a strong headline, aspiring Power BI analyst, data storyteller. Post about your dashboards and tag hashtag #PowerBI. Update your LinkedIn headline today and tag me. I'll feature one top profile next week. Let's wrap up with your next steps. You followed along for 7 weeks, now it's time to showcase your skills. Challenges. Create an HR dashboard with drill through and custom tooltip. Create a Netflix genre report with dynamic slicers. Combine SQL plus Power BI for a final capstone project. Submit your dashboard links in the pinned comment or DM me on LinkedIn. I want to feature the top ones on this channel. Thank you for being a part of this journey. This may be the last episode of Season 1, but we're just getting started. More series are coming soon. Power Query, DAX, SQL, and real-world case studies. Make sure you're subscribed and don't forget to share this series with a friend. Drop your favorite episode from this series in the comments and tell me what you want next. Power BI Advanced, Data Science, or SQL? You decide.